Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your report and immediately creating the parameter. This is the first actionable step. Give it a clear name, pick the right type, text, number, or Boolean, and set a sensible default. Once done, define allowed values or a numeric range if you need limits. Make sure to save the parameter before moving on because subsequent steps reference this exact name. This saves time and avoids breaking formulas or controls later in the process. Next, add a control, like a drop-down or slider, and bind it to your parameter so users can change it. Then create calculated fields or filters that reference the parameter using the correct syntax. This is where the parameter affects data. Once the connection exists, place the control on the report and interact with it to confirm changes propagate. If visuals don't update, recheck field expressions and data type matches between the control and the parameter, because mismatches are the most common issue here. To finish, test the full workflow. Change parameter values, verify all dependent charts and filters update, then publish or share the report. Make a quick note for viewers about expected input formats and examples so they won't break filters. If something goes wrong, check one key area first: the parameter type versus the field type used in calculations. Mismatches cause silent failures. Also ensure formulas reference the parameter name exactly, and save and refresh after edits before retesting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.